closer.
Hi mga Zoo! Happy Sunday sa inyong lahat. So today, linggo po ngayon dito sa Australia. It's already 2 o'clock. So naisip kasi namin today na mag-check-in sa Sofitel Hotel. Kaya kami nandun actually kasi nandun yung friend namin na si Cyrene. Yung husband niya kasi nauna na pumunta sa Sydney. So sila, antayin nilang isettle dun yung gamit bago sila pumunta o sumunod. Kaya nasa Sofitel sila. So sabi ko, gusto ko din na at least makabanding pa sila for the last time. Tapos at the same time, yung mga bata makapag-swimming. Kasi guys, dito, hindi sila makaswimming kasi di ba malamig. So at least dun sa Sofitel Hotel, itatry namin yung heated pool. So feeling ko talaga mag-e-enjoy yung mga anak ko kasi gustong-gusto nilang mag-swimming back in the Philippines. Kaya ngayon, gagawin namin. So nakapag-impake na kami, pinababa ko na sila. Naglilinis lang ako ng konti para pagbalik namin dito, hindi na masyadong makalat. Yan. Though makalat pa rin siya, no? Pero at least, hindi yung sobrang yung mga gamit kung saan-saan nakalagay. Tapos yung bedroom din, nilinis ko na. Kaya okay naman. Alam nyo, napuyat na naman kami kagabi. Pero okay lang. Hindi naman kami maagang gumising today. Ang patay ng mata ko. Kaya ayan. We are ready. Let's go. Pinababa ko na kay King yung bag mo. Yung charger hindi. Oh, hindi ko nakuha yung charger. So ayan guys. Pagbaba na kami ni Andy. Isang maleta lang kami. Nandiyan na lahat ng gamit namin. Itong maleta na itong dami na itong narating. Kawawa naman. Mga 8 years na yan sa amin. Dalawa yan. Isang malaki tsaka isang maliit. Ito ba yung pinakamalaki, Daddy, na maleta? May mas malaki pa. Ayun yung pinakamalaki. Andito na kami sa kotse, guys. So, papunta na kami doon. Naghahanap lang kami ng Gaviscon. Alam niyo yun, yung para sa acidity. Kasi naubusan kami.
Foodlines na eh.
Yun pala eh. May chemist din dyan. Yung chemist dito, parang mercury drug sa atin. So, dumaan kami dito sa OTR. Yung gas station, wala. So, ayun lang yung chemist. Punta kami dun ngayon para makabili. Kasi kailangan may bound kami nun. Dahil parehas kami ni Andy ng sakit. Yung gastro ba.
But the chemist is beside it. Well, I mean, they have a Foodland anyway.
Yeah. So, ito na. Nandito na kami sa Foodland, guys. Yung Foodland ay parang mga 7-Eleven, ganyan. Pero dito malakihan yung Foodland. Parang mini grocery nila. Tapos medyo mas pricey siya than a regular grocery. Laki oh. Ayan yung Foodland. Ayan guys, chemist. Hindi kita eh. Ayan yung Foodland. Ganyan siya kalaki. Tapos malaki siya dun sa hanggang dulo pa. Ayan ang kanilang shopping center. Stop drinking coffee muna ngayon, guys. Nag-stop ako uminom ng kape kasi yun nga, ina-atake na naman. So kapag ako ina-atake niya, nag-heartburn ako, tapos masakit din yung tiyan ko. Ayan. Anto eh, feeling ko part of yung pagda-diet na rin namin na affect siya. Silip ka dyan, girl. Punta na kay Ola.
Can I roll something?
Ano?
I saw my friend Jasmine that lived close to us walking.
Nakita namin yung classmate niya na naglalakad. No, hindi sila naglalakad. May dalang bike.
Yeah.
Hi! Surprise!
Ayan na.
Ayan! Who's that? Who's that? Oh, surprise!
Alright, we made it. Which side?
This side, this side.
Mimi's so excited to go in the room already.
Mimi, open the door.
What number are we at? 1602.
Paunahin natin yung vlogger. Oh, very good.
Oh, no, Mimi's gonna run in anyway.
Sorry.
Go, Mimi. Wow. Ooh, I like the colors. Ooh, ang ganda. Ang ganda. Oh, you like it?
You like it?
Mimi likes it.
Very nice.
Wow, it's very. I like the. We might have to do this to our bedroom, babe.
There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be, but they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn, but they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby, I got you. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try but they can never take me down. Ooh, cause I'm not afraid.
Hi, mga Zoom! Ito na, nagsiswimming lang kami. O, tignan nyo naman. Enjoy yung mga bagets kasi heated pool ito at mainit ng tubig. Kaso lang, hindi pa marunong lumangoy. So, okay lang. Hindi na to aakon mamaya. Oh my goodness.
You can just stand.
Ayan. So, kaya panoorin lang kayo swimming. Oh my God! Si Joy. Uy, baka madulas ka.
Why would you?
Para-parehas ba ng ano, sis? Wait on. I-float. Parehas ba ng lalim? Isang diretso lang. Mas deep doon. Sige.
The bottom is literally the same as that.
Ayan. Naku, tuwang-tuwa.
Memes, look here. Mimi.
It's beautiful.
That's the quietest you've ever been.
Wow, I'm
All of
impressed.
you.
That was not hard.
Alright, just heading off to dinner now, guys. We booked at 7 p.m. So as you can see here, it's actually quite a luxurious looking hotel. You can see in the bedroom, the decor is very nice also. Mimi is trying to go to sleep, so I'll pick up the rest of the crew and then we'll eat.
I know I messed it up, but in my soul, I feel a love for you that's out of control. Sometimes I feel like I can make you whole. I just can't change my emotions. There
na guys! Nag-enjoy kami sa aming bonding with our friends and syempre dun sa mga bata, especially nung nag-swimming na sila. Kaya naman guys, kung gusto ninyong dalhin din yung mga anak ninyo, yung mga nakatira po dito sa Adelaide, ayan, heated pool po doon at ano ko naman yung safety din nila kasi maliit lang din naman yung pool tapos hindi siya din masyadong malalim. So ayan, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nanood ng vlog ngayon. Kung tatanungin niyo po, si Cyrene po ay lilipat na sa Sydney for good and i-vlog niya po yung buhay niya doon sa paglipat nila from here to there. Sana po i-follow niyo siya. Ilalagay ko po yung link ng Facebook page niya dyan sa baba at saka yung YouTube channel niya kasi nagsimula na din po siya. And sana po masupport niyo lang din siya kagaya ng pag-support niya sa amin. Again, maraming salamat po and have a great day ahead mga Zoobs! Bye-bye!